The spark within. Some people are born with a special spark inside them. It's a need to create, to make something new and wonderful for the world to see. This spark can be a story waiting to be told, a song that needs to be sung, or a picture that wants to be painted. It's a wonderful thing that we have people with this spark. They give us music that makes our hearts dance. From the grand symphonies of long ago to the catchy tunes of today, music fills our world with joy. And what about the painters? They can make a canvas come alive with color and light. Some artists paint pictures that look so real you feel like you could step right into them. Others paint pictures from their imagination, full of strange and beautiful shapes and colors. And let's not forget the writers. They create whole worlds with their words. They can take us on adventures to faraway lands, or show us the magic in our own world. We are so lucky to have these creative people who share their gifts with us. If you have a spark inside you, let it shine.